In this video, you'll learn how to withdraw cryptocurrency from your Binance account. This guide will take you through each step of the withdrawal process, ensuring you understand what to do at every stage. Start by navigating to the Binance website and signing into your account. Once you are logged in, locate the wallet option on the main menu, typically found at the top of the screen. Click on wallet, and from the drop-down menu, select withdraw. At this point, you will need to choose crypto as your withdrawal type. Ensure that you have sufficient balance available in your account to proceed with the withdrawal. Next, you will be prompted to select the specific cryptocurrency you wish to withdraw. This could be Bitcoin, Ethereum, or any other supported crypto asset. Make sure you are aware of the withdrawal limits and fees associated with your chosen cryptocurrency, as these can vary. Once you've selected the cryptocurrency, you can move on to the next step in the withdrawal process. Now, paste the recipient wallet address into the designated field. It is crucial to enter this address accurately, as any mistakes could result in the loss of your funds. After entering the wallet address, you will need to select the correct blockchain network for the withdrawal. Ensure that the network you choose is compatible with the wallet address provided. Following this, input the amount of cryptocurrency you wish to withdraw. Take a moment to review the transaction details, including any applicable fees, before proceeding. Once you've confirmed that all information is correct, proceed to confirm the withdrawal. This step typically involves completing a security verification process, which may include two-factor authentication. After completing this, you will receive a confirmation that your withdrawal request has been submitted. It is advisable to monitor the status of your transaction by navigating to the withdrawal history section of your account. Keep in mind that blockchain confirmations may take some time, depending on network conditions. After the transaction has been confirmed, check the recipient wallet to ensure that the funds have arrived. It is also a good practice to save the transaction hash for your records, as this can be useful for tracking purposes. If you experience any delays or issues with the withdrawal, do not hesitate to contact Binance support for assistance. This concludes the withdrawal process, and you should now be familiar with how to withdraw crypto from Binance. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.